Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by ensuring your device is connected to the internet and you know the Google account credentials. This speeds the process. Open the Play Store app from your home screen or app drawer, and if the app asks for permissions, grant them so it can load properly. Once the Play Store opens, tap the profile icon at the top right to begin signing in. Make sure you choose Add Another Account if a different Google ID is needed. When prompted, select the account you want or tap Add Account to enter a new email address. This is where you type your Google ID. After entering your password, use the show icon to confirm there are no typos, because a wrong character causes repeated failures. If your account uses two-step verification, follow the prompt to approve via phone, Authenticator app, or SMS. Once verified, the Play Store will sync your library and settings automatically. Finish by accepting terms of service and choosing whether to enable backup and app sync so your purchases and settings stay consistent. Make sure the Play Store shows your account under Settings then Accounts. This confirms sync is active. If you hit an error like authentication required, clear the Play Store cache, force stop the app, or remove and re-add the Google account. This usually resolves token or sync issues and gets you back into the store quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.